So before I left for Korea, I decided that I wanted to have a big party, kind of like a big going away party, in order to see as many people as possible. Because of COVID, we weren't able to have the big party I originally planned, so instead we had a drive-by goodbye, which turned out to be just as fun. Okay, so ignore my face, but I wanted to give y'all an update on how packing is going. So here you can see I set out all the stuff I initially wanted to take with me, and I ended up being able to take most of this with me. I was pretty surprised. I did end up using vacuum seal bags, but that's besides the point. I had winter clothes, a few summer clothes, a lot of teaching clothes, and just some other things that I can wear out and about when I'm not teaching. I was only able to bring 3 suitcases, a carry-on and 2 larger ones, but I was able to make it work.
Okay, this is the packing workshop in the basement. We have Molly and Janelle, and we are vacuum bagging all of her clothes. I will show you that in a minute, how it's done. It's pretty amazing. It's kind of like a shrink wrap, and you can condense everything into a little solid pack. Zip it and suck it.
Suck it. Suck it. All right.
Use a vacuum.
Ta-da!
And there you have it. Voila!
Ta-da! Bye-bye, Korea! One of the last things I did before I left was I invited my family over in order to cook for them all. I thought it'd be nice if I made them a bunch of Korean food. I love to cook, and so this was a great way to combine my passion of cooking, Korean culture, and then sharing that with my family.
So the bottom layer is seaweed.
Yes.
And then there's white rice.
Yes.
And then there was egg.
Yes.
And then there was those little wrappy things.
Do you remember what those are?
Fish.
Yeah, fish cake.
Fish cake, a strip of that. And then some seaweed. Spinach.
Yes.
Spinach. And this one is gonna have Spam or no Spam?
No Spam.
What's that called?
This is pickled radish
Pickled radish.
and burdock root.
What?
Burdock root.
Some kind of root. And then she puts a little bit on the end so that it'll stick when she rolls it. Here goes the magic. Gotta wait for it. Wait for it. Voila, there's the end.
Voila.
And then she eventually will cut them. Some have Spam and some do not. Is that right?
Yeah, either fish cake or Spam.
Okay.
Kimbap, which is kind of sushi-like. Has
Okay.
rice and other things. Tteokbokki, which are chewy rice cakes, and also some fish cake in there and spicy sauce. Jjajangmyeon, which is black bean paste with noodles and some other veggies. japchae, which is glass noodles and veggies, and bulgogi, which is Korean meat or beef. So that's all for now. Keep on the lookout for my next video, as it is a very exciting update.